Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to make the fingerprint scanner faster on your Samsung Galaxy devices which have under display fingerprint scanner. So first of all you need to go to the settings, apps, and go to the special access, optimize battery usage, and go to the all and search for biometrics, and here you see samsung.android.biometrics, etc. And here you need to disable that to don't optimize the battery for Samsung biometrics that will work faster. So here you can see how my fingerprint works. It's faster than before. And thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new videos, and don't forget to like and comment for any suggestion or any problem. And goodbye, see you next time.